Welcome to KBIS 2026. We're here at beautiful Orlando, Florida. We're going to tell you a little bit about what's happening in TOTO's most recent innovation, and it is our Aurora Intergravity Toilet. That means that it's actually intelligent gravity. We're using the toilet performance of gravity to actually make it more successful in flushing. Now let me tell you why. We know in the future that a 1.28 gallon toilet is going to become a 1 gallon toilet and then a 0.8 gallon toilet. We know water conservation is going to be important for the industry. So we are future-proofing our toilet. What we have here is intergravity. Let me show you what that looks like. We're going to come over here. And it looks like a standard toilet, but actually on the inside, it has a series of component parts that are much different than what you would normally see in a toilet. Now, to show you how that works, we'll give you a little view of how it flushes. This is the Aurora, and it shows you the inside version of what that looks like. And what you're going to see here is we have a toilet tank, we have a flush valve that flushes into the rim wash, and a flush valve that flushes into the trapway to create the siphon jet. When we flush this toilet, you'll notice that it will spin more inside the bowl and then flush out through the siphon jet 3 seconds later. But as the bowl refills, the rim wash continues to go. We know that at 1.28, it's very successful, but we know in the future, 1 gallon and 1.8 gallon will be part of the marketplace, and we want to make sure we are future-proofing for the design theme of that time. So we're going to flush. You'll see the water flowing around. The pond evacuates 3 seconds later, and then the rim continues to scrub the surface of the toilet above the pond. Now the pond's really important. Most low-flow toilets, double flush in particular, will have a very small pond. And when you go to visit the toilet and have a solid stop, sometimes what you're putting into that pond doesn't always make it in there and gets onto the surface of the dry porcelain. That can cause an issue of not getting evacuation or scrubbing of the surface of the bowl to eliminate that material from that toilet. So we've made sure that we make, number one, a low-flow toilet with a big pond, number one, and number two, we're actually accentuating the actual performance of the scrubbing of the rim and the dry surface above the pond more effectively. Again, I'll show you one more time. We'll have the actual rim wash will come in, start to spin and start to scrub, and then 3 seconds later we get the siphon jet flush that will take everything out of the bowl, and then lastly that rim wash continues on for about 15 seconds. Here we go again. There's the flush. 3 seconds later it evacuates the bowl, and now spin, 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 still spinning, still cleaning, and now it's done. So it's taken that opportunity to put an opportunity to wash that surface and make sure that we've removed any debris that might be on that surface. This is what we believe is the future of toileting. We want to build a product that is future-proofed. This is what TOTO's bringing to the marketplace in 2026. Hope you have a great show. Thank you so much.